G'day legends, welcome back to the channel. My name's Christian at Jono Johno, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the oil setting on your chainsaw. I'll be demonstrating on our Pearl Above 70cc. Now, whether you're cutting through hard wood or just trimming off branches, the right oil flow is key for your chainsaw running smoothly and extending its life. Most chainsaws allow you to adjust the oil flow to match your cutting conditions, and it's pretty straightforward once you know what you're looking for. So with all that being said and done, let's get into it. Alright, now the first step's to locate the oil adjustment screw. It's usually found on the bottom of the chainsaw near the oil reservoir. Look for a small flathead screw, often marked with an oil droplet or some kind of icon like that. Some chainsaws have them, some chainsaws don't, but that's what you're looking for. This is what controls the flow of oil to your bar and chain. Now, before making any adjustments to the oil screw, make sure that the chainsaw is turned off and it is cooled right down. We don't want to have any accidents happen. It is also a good idea to clean the area around the oil adjustment screw to prevent debris from getting inside. Alright, with that done, we're ready to adjust the oil setting. Next, we'll be using a flathead screwdriver to adjust the screw. Now, if you have a look at these markings just here, these will tell you what will increase and what will decrease the flow of oil. So obviously the minus here is the decrease and the plus is the increase. Now, turn it clockwise and you will decrease the flow of oil. Turn it anti-clockwise and you will increase that flow. Typically, you'll want more oil flow for a larger job and less for a lighter task. Now remember, too much oil can cause excess buildup and too little oil can damage your bar and chain. So find that sweet spot. Alright, and there you have it. Adjusting the oil screw on your chainsaw is a simple but important little part of keeping your chainsaw in tip-top condition. Now, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more tips and tricks from Jono Johno. And any future videos you may want to see, leave them in the comments below. We love seeing your feedback. I love reading through the comments. So, hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Happy cutting.